Hello everybody, today for phonics we are going to do some voice sounds. Do you think you can help me? Are you ready? The first sound is boing, 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 boing. Well done, bouncing your ball. The second sound is ch, 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 ch. Oh, can we sound like a ghost? Ooh. Do it again. Ooh. Now we're going to hiss like a snake. Sss. And again. Sss. Everybody, can you tell your friend to shush? Shh. Can I tell the grown-up to shush? Shh. Well done. Our next sound is top of the slide and whee! Once more time. Top of the slide and whee! Can you make the sound of the clock? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Well done everybody. Oh, now we have to sound disappointed. Are you ready? Oh, and again. Oh. Oh, one of my favourites. You need big lips for this. We're going to moo like a cow. Are we ready? Moo. And again. Moo. Oh, that one's upside down. Can you buzz like a bee? Bzzz. And again. Bzzz. And we're back at the beginning. I hope you enjoyed that. Well done everybody.